Lighting plays an important role in shaping up the mood and function of any space, whether it's an office, gaming setup, or just adding the right ambient touch to a room. Today we're going to be checking out DeckTok's smart lamp to see how it can help us level up our gaming setup. Firstly, to check out the product, we'll need to see what's included in the packaging. Inside, you'll find all the core components neatly packed. Here we have the light bar strip, the power adapter with a control box, 3 pieces to assemble the light pole, and finally, the lamp base. Let's quickly put everything together to get a better look at what we're working with. The setup is simple and tool-free, and everything snaps together in place with ease for a clean, streamlined build. With everything assembled, this is what it looks like. The lamp stands just over 55 inches tall and has a slim L-shaped profile that is designed to sit flush in the corner of a room. Despite its lightweight build, the base is reinforced to give it a sturdy feel, helping it stay balanced and stable. The frame is made from a matte finish aluminum, which gives it a clean, modern aesthetic that blends into most room styles without being overly distracting. One of the standout features to me is that this lamp has a segmented RGBWW lighting. That stands for red, green, blue, warm white, and cool white. It's made up of 12 individually controllable zones, which you can fully utilize and customize with the DeckTok app. Here you have access to over 44 preset lighting scenes, plus full spectrum color control and the ability to fine-tune white tones anywhere between a warm 2700 Kelvin and a cooler 6500 Kelvin. So whether you want a soft amber glow for evenings or something bold and saturated for your gaming setup, this makes it completely easy to fine-tune the exact mood that you're going for. This lamp supports voice control with Google Assistant and Alexa and features 9 music sync modes. Whether you're playing music in your living room, winding down in your bedroom, or reacting to some game audio in your setup, the immersion really adds an extra layer of atmosphere that complements any room or activity. Later. You like that? Drop it. Oh! Yeah, that was beautiful. Although you can use the controller to cycle through the different color modes, you should take advantage of the software app for the light. With this, you can instantly toggle between different color modes, activate scenes, or create your own custom setups. The timer function, dimming control, and voice assistant integration makes it all practical for day-to-day use. The lamp pushes out to up to 1500 lumens, which is plenty for ambient lighting. It's bright enough to light up an entire wall without feeling harsh or overwhelming. But what really stands out is how clean and even the light looks, even during color transitions. All in all, if you're looking to elevate your space with immersive smart lighting, then the DeckTok corner floor lamp is a solid pickup. Whether you're adding to a gaming setup like mine or just want to spice up your space, then this lamp is both functional and flexible, which blends seamlessly into just about any room style. Guys, that will wrap up my review of the DeckTok floor lamp. Let me know what you think about this and if you consider picking one up for your own setup. The lamp retails for $89.99, and if you decide to check it out, then please use my link and discount code in the description to get 10% off your order. With that being said, thank you all for watching and supporting the content. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos for more cool tech that we feature on this channel. And until next time, take care.